Okay, this is the continuation of the video of the part one of on the video tutorial of trading on the Nigerian stock market exchange or any other stock market exchange. So I was about to show you a simple example of how to pick a particular stock and then check and know how much you'll be making if you actually invest at a particular time. So I'm gonna just pick. I'm just trying to pick that. Like I said, it is the wise idea to buy when the price low and sell it high. Here, let's assume you are selling this thing on the day, which was this day. I'm gonna pick a different date. I'm not, to be honest, I just want to make it look so good, and it's possible. Well, people are making profit like that. So we've got a peak here of 250 upon 350 for the 50 for the 5. It closes at 45 to almost 250. Yeah, taking two. Should should I do it in Excel? Let's go and do it in Excel. Give us more options. So basically Excel. So let me just use spreadsheet here. View this thing to make it you guys. Let's just find this. Oh my god. So we're buying, we're gonna use C2 to enter. So this is the price we bought. Go to the next cell at 0. And then sold at price, and this day too. 49, and you want principal. How much was your principal? The principal you invest. Let's see. Yes, I'm principal. So prince, that was what the investment terminology. The word profit. Sorry, right here. Print million every naira. Just million nine. Yeah. This is how it's gonna think of this. Yeah. So the you're gonna buy. Is gonna D2 divided by no D2 divided, so it's D1 divided by D, because I was D2. Sorry about that. You are gonna get naira when you buy it, when and if you buy one you calculate at that now be is terminal value so technology when sold at this sold value will be the volume to the value the is the volume on to d d times this equal now let us in numbers babbling this investors the volume you bought price at the end of the day money literally grew to 7 this big. That is the reality of talking about. Let me try to look at the particular of that drama. Is this graph? Oh, the graph is not. Except we're going. This was for the 9. The date is that is showing this, but I will be able to look at this and indicate in my next. So please do subscribe and then don't forget this video with your friends if you like it. I'm not professional as a man, as a layman. You can share this with your friend and you can be making real cash and cool money when the markets are good and if you're a good speculator, especially when you're dealing with good brokers as well. So like I said before, just check for good brokers in Nigeria if you're in Nigeria, or even elsewhere you can be doing this online. Always transfer your mandate to them and they will be able to do the sell for you, do the transaction for you. I mean, like when you travel, even when you travel for a short visit outside Nigeria, your brokers are on top of your business and you're always communicating with them. It's a global village anyway. So I'm saying that this happened over a period of 3 months or thereabout, because this was somehow toward the end of last year and this is March 8th. So yeah, but look at the amount you're going to make. This is ridiculous. So your profit now, your profit, whether it's return on profit or yield, whatever they want to pronounce. So let me just say profit. Your profit is equals to, is it the capital? No, the yield now minus the is it the yield minus the principal? Yeah, whatever. The selling price minus the, it's just basic business principle. So the yield is gonna be, not the yield, your profit now, what you made for within the period of 3 months, let's say basically, is gonna be equals D5 minus D1. D5 minus D1. I think so, yeah. Let me hit enter and see what I have. So this is how much you're gonna make. I feel I should make this bold. Yeah. So this is your profit. this is too much. So this is not because they are going to, when you deposit the money into your own CSA account, they are going to charge you some amount, and even when you are selling, there will be some few commissions or whatever. But I can bet you that it's not going to take away this 500,000 naira. So this is big because you invested big amount of money, and so the profit is huge. With this money, if you do this 2 or 3 times, you become a big millionaire and grow on to billionaire without fighting anybody on the street, without having to go and stay, without having to do anything. So you don't have to be reluctant. You have got the education. All you need to do is do the thing. Even if you don't have a computer, you don't have anything, your mobile phone, each time you use to do social media, to chat, you can always log on to the website again, the website we're talking about, and then be monitoring the price. When you see that is good, instruct your uh you can instruct your brokers to you can issue them mandate to like sell it for you or buy. It's what to do with them. But please, I'm saying this thing that it is absolutely risky, and you're taking the risk. It's not even your broker that will take the risk because you are the one to issue the mandate. So whatever happens, if it's profit is yours, if it is loss is yours. They only take the small commission they charge. So if you come back to the website again, this is where it is. Now what happens if you bought it at this price and you now come and sell at this price? Say your money has totally disappeared, you have lost everything, though it's not possible like this because that means the shares disappeared totally. So can I see so you can always check different prices, I mean not different prices but different stock, and then see what you can do with it. It's good actually. So let me check Dangote flour for now. Dangote flour, if I can do this chart. Yeah, so the Dangote flour for the 90 days period, wow, this is amazing. It was at the lowest here, it got to 6 naira, but then here it is now selling at uh, 11 point something naira. It even got up to 12 naira. This is so much money. Trust me, this is so much money. Here it closes at 12 naira 50 kobo. So much money. What could you have done with this money? By the way, when you look at this chart, every white bar shows that it's appreciating, and every red bar is when the price is falling. So it's easier. Look at that red constantly downward. Then when it showed white, it was going up, red down, then white up again, red, and then it just went like that steady. Didn't There was no trade on those days, and then little trade like that, like that. Also shows tell you a little about the volume of a trade. In my next video, I make sure we'll discuss in details some more technical indicators like the RSI, like the MACD, and the rest of other indicators that is going to help you. They are a bit technical, but they will help you to be able to monitor which stock to go for, which one will give you the better yield. Like it's about business, and business is about making profit. You're not going to put your money in a risky junk, in a risky investment, and you don't want to make your money to lose. So please watch out for the next episode. I'm Julius, and if you can subscribe and share the video with your friends, it's gonna be good and it's very helpful, I believe. So yeah, um, if by the way, this is the part 2 of the video. If you have not watched the first part, I recommend you watch the first part before you come and watch this one again. So think of any other stock you want to buy, blah blah blah. I don't know. I think there is another stock. I'm just picking at random, to be honest. There's Transcorp as well. That's Transcorp Hilton in Abuja. So that's the triangle in Abuja. Sorry about that. So yeah, this is another stock again that you may want to look at. And all this one with okay, Diamond Bank was a bank. Dangote flour is a consumer good, and now it's Transcorp. So this one is what did they call it again? It's another category. Actually, they're equity, so you can look at it. You can even trade on Nigerian bonds like saving bond or federal government bond. They're also on the other platform, but it's something that you want to look at. But like I advise, again, don't just rush into investing, because look at this now. If you invest when the price is here, one, oh my God, 1 point, it closes at 1.71. That's 1 naira 71 kobo. and you are now here, and it's now selling at 1, though it's coming up now, but it's 1 naira 30 kobo. You are losing some huge amount of money. Do you want us to do calculation for that? um uh Let me see, this video is 15 minutes now. I wish I can stop now because I don't want the video to be unnecessarily too long, but we'll see. I want to leave you on a positive note. Let me now come and calculate some loss here for you, and then you will now begin to be discouraged now. But yeah, this definitely shows that if you buy it at this price and sell it at this price, then you are going to be losing. It is instead wise that you buy it at this price and then come and sell it at this price. So remember, the principle is buy it when the price is low and sell it when the price is high. So how do you know when the price is low or high? Always come back to this graph, view this chart for 90 days time and see how the trend is going. When in my next video, I will show you how to be able to view the chart for up to 6 months or even for up to a year, and I will link it to other site again that you can monitor the price more reliably and compare it to other stocks as well. Use several indicators to be able to do that. But like now, this very one, this very stock, if you buy it at this level and sell it here, it has had a very big loss. And few other stocks as well. Like I don't even know. I want to pick things that are familiar in a way. Like Texaco is another share, another stock. Sorry, and you can see how the graph look like up and down, up and down. So if you can buy it when it is low and sell it when it is high, you're making profit. And I think stock with smaller amount, if it actually appreciate faster, you can make so much money. But then if that stock also disappears, then you are losing so much money if it goes out of market or something. So you need to be very careful. I'm only revealing this, to those that are not aware. And if you ever want to invest, please and please don't say Julius said you should go and invest and you just go and start putting your money anyhow. Consult with a professional, talk to your stock, locate the stockbroker and let them advise you professionally. Okay, but I'm just trying to reveal this to as many that have nothing to do, that there's always something to do. Your money can be working for you while you do other things. Yeah. And it's not so much of a money that is needed here. So yeah, this brings us to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. This is our graph, and yeah, so let me do something quickly here to show you something. Ba- 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 no, 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 no. This is your investment. This is your yeah. So I want to do some simple calculations here, and the calculation is gonna be so usually when you want to calculate the percentage, it is the principal minus, yeah, I want to do it on a positive notice here. So I'm going to say equals to um is equals to d5 minus, so it's d5. Okay, why not use bracket? I think it makes more sense. Bracket upon d5 minus d1. Yeah, bracket close, then divide this by yeah, divide this by what again? By whatever I'm subtracting, right? Divide this by d5, and then this not by d5, I beg. This is not divided by d5, this is divided by d1. Yeah, So if this now and percentage now, this is now equals to 100 times F5, F5, oh no, so this is 9 percentage. Eh? Not like that, 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 not like that. So it's 275% basically. That's what I'm trying to say. 277.37%. Sorry, I didn't prepare to do this, and I'm just taking it by surprise. I mean to calculate this value, yeah, but like I said, this video is too long already. So yeah, from here you can now see the price. The percentage is actually too high, 277, almost 300%. So do you have a think about it and then see if it's something you want to do. Locate your stockbroker of your choice and then venture into it. It's gonna make a lot of sense. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share it with your friends just to make sure many other people are benefiting from it. Why deny other people the opportunity to partake from this opportunity that you've benefited from today? Thank you so much again. This is Julius, and I would love to see you again on my next episode. Don't forget that we're going to do more interesting stuff, how to even come up with a predictive model that you can predict the price and be able to invest with confidence. Thank you and good.